In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sharp blurry videos. So what you have to do, grab the video, drag it onto the timeline. And now here, you have to go to Effect. If you can't find this tab, this panel, make sure you click on Window, and then here look for Effects. Now you can select Effects. And now here in Effects, just write Sharpen. Sharpen Mask. Grab that, and here you can increase the radius, or you can also grab Sharpen. There's two effects, and here you can just effect. But this one is too powerful, and it can really destroy the video. So it'll make the video look very bad if you add too much Sharpen. But if you work with radius here and amount, from here you can just can work with that. So that's how you add. Remember now, if for some reason your workspace is not like mine, make sure you select here all panels if you want to, and now this will reset and you'll get all the panels here. You know that's what you have to do in this case, but you can't find the settings. And especially if here this one effects panel, if you can't find this one, I close that one, you go to Window and click on Effects Control. All right, that's what you have to do. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and if you have any questions or suggestions for the next video, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching and take care.